Hey guys, it's Tajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a recreate with me. I don't know what episode this is, but I do have a whole recreate with me series that I will link if you guys want to see those other videos. But in today, we're recreating this makeup look on Megan Thee Stallion for her Whenever music video. I love this song. I love this music video. Definitely go stream it if you haven't already, because we need to get it up there because Megan is the queen of this. So anyways, if you guys want to see me try to recreate this beautiful makeup look on Megan Thee Stallion for her Whenever music video, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm so excited, but I'm also not excited because Megan has a way of like making her makeup, I mean, I know she didn't do her makeup, but she has a way of making makeup just look so flawless on her, so I'm kind of nervous. Also, this isn't like a super like bold makeup look, so I'm hoping that I can make it look similar to hers, because I just wanted to try this look because I love it, and it also kind of goes with how she normally does her makeup. It kind of is the same vibe, so I always wanted to do like a Megan Thee Stallion inspired makeup look, so this is that. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with the Multitasker Concealer by Rimmel London. I'm just going to set my eyes with the Stay Matte Press Powder by Rimmel London. And for today's palette, we're going to be using the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place, the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. So first we're going to take Yacht It, which is the first shade in the palette, and we're just going to blend that into the crease. Okay, and now we're going to take Kafuru on a M506 brush and just put that into the crease. And for the inner corner, we're not going like low on the crease, we're going to bring it kind of higher because her cut crease is like higher than the regular crease, if that makes sense. I'm going to take this Juvia's Place fluffy blending brush and just blend that out. We're going to take some of Dara, which is like the pink shade, and just blend that out. I'm going to take Zaz, which is like a white shade, and just blend that under the brow. Now we're going to take that Multitasker Concealer again, and we're just going to cut the crease with that. Okay, we're going to take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette, and we're going to take this light pink shade, and we're going to set the cut crease with that. I'm going to take Kafuru and do a blended out wing with that. We're going to take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette again, and we're going to take the second shade in the first row, which is like a shimmer champagne shade. I'm going to take that on a small flat brush. We're just going to wet it first. And then we're going to put that in the inner corner. I can't tell if she has a wing liner on or not because of her lashes, so we're just going to do like, we're going to take Walzana, which is like the black, and we're just going to do a small wing liner with that. I'm going to go do my other eye off camera, and then I'll come back with you guys to do the face. Okay, and now for foundation, I'm going to use my go-to foundation, which is the Rimmel London Stay Matte foundation and the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation, and I just mix these two. Okay, and for my under eyes, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C6. I'm going to set under my eyes with that Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Cream bronze with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C13.2. Now for blush, we're going to take the Juvia's Place liquid blush in the shade Rosy Posy, and we're going to put it kind of lower than we usually do because hers kind of like is lower. Oh, I'm going to put it on my forehead. She doesn't have blush on her nose. Okay, let's blend this out. This kind of blends in with her bronzer. So I'm just going to blend that down a little bit into my bronzer. I've never really used this before, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm going to take the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter. I'm just going to take that on my finger and place it right on the cheekbone. And I'm also going to put some on my nose. I'm just going to blend that out. I'm also going to take that on a small brush and put some under my brow bone. Okay, and now for under the eyes, we're going to take the Warrior 2 palette again, and we're going to take Yacht It. Okay, and now for lips, what I think I'm going to do, because I don't have a brown lip liner, I think I'm going to take Kafuru from the Juvia's Place palette, and it'll also match really good with the eyes, and then I'm going to line my lips with that, and then just put on a gloss. I'm going to go off camera and put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished recreation for Megan Thee Stallion's Whenever music video. I like it. I feel like it doesn't look exactly like hers, but it's definitely like a recreation. Like I said, her makeup artist, whoever her makeup artist is, did a really good job. I feel like this looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below for your convenience. And if you like me, if you like makeup, then please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers, and I would just love to have you as a part of my family. And if you like Megan Thee Stallion, like this video and subscribe, because we're Megan Thee Stallion stans over here. Like, nobody can make me hate her. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.